Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. Wow, January and February is gonna be lit as far as wigs goes. Whoa, do I tell you, I got a shit ton of wigs to review for you guys. But today's video is a Janet Collection wig, and it is brought to you by Janet Collections, and Janet Collections is sponsoring this video. And I'm so excited because I always wanted to work with companies, and like Janet Collection is one of my favorite wig companies. So, bam! I'm gonna be reviewing today the Janet Collection Super Flow Deep Lace Part Wigs, which I'm very familiar with this style. And this one is in Super Moon, and we got her in Honey Blonde. We are trying out colors. I actually asked for Honey Blue and Honey Blonde. Those are the two options, and they picked the Honey Blonde version for me. So we're gonna get started, okay? She's cute and she's wavy, and I'm wondering if I can shift the part or if she's just the middle part. But of course, we will try her out because I've had to learn that middle parts just sometimes work best. Already, I didn't even take it out of the netting. Already, I could tell the texture. I've never tried a honey blonde brownish color before. Guys, the texture on her is everything. Wow. So she's got a nice deep root where it looks natural. It's not like a stark black root. And it gradients into this like honey brownish color, and then you start getting the honey blonde in there. Oh my god. Okay, this is the wig right here. I'll show you the cap construction. It has two combs in the front right where the parting space is. It looks like a really deep, well, it's a deep part. It's about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. So the parting space doesn't go all the way back. I'm not sure if this is a wig I can shift because, well, actually, no, I probably can shift it. I don't feel prominent ear tabs. So usually when you feel like a prominent ear tab, you just know you can shift the wig. You just got to finesse it. The lace is not stretchy, but it doesn't feel hard. That's a plus. The wig in the back has a comb. It has the adjustable straps. Janet Collections usually does the traditional wig cap with the tracks on it attached to just pretty much the little, I call them garters. But that's it. My god, the texture on this wig. I have a feeling this wig will not. It's long. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm not adjusting the straps just yet. Oh, I look like Cousin It. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. I do look like Cousin It though. Oh wow. Oh my god, the hair feels so soft. Do like a little... I like that my roots are dark right now so that I can finesse the wigs that I wear right now. Like tuck them behind the ear. I know with these kind of wigs you can add a little heat to them, so more likely I would add a flat iron just to flatten this part out. But I like it. She looks so pretty. This color is actually really pretty. Wasn't expecting that. Not on me. So this is what the wig looks like with a middle part on me. The layers are very long in the front. They're shorter than the rest of the hair, but they're extremely long layers. So you could definitely cut some bangs or shorter layers into this wig, because you can see this is the shortest the hair is, and it goes down to my boobie. I wonder if I can like twist braid it or do something like this and just do like a little braid. Oh my god. First of all, let me show you guys the back of the wig because I want you guys to see the length of this wig and the color in its full intensity. So this is the back of the wig. I don't feel the tracks at all. You could probably put this up in a low ponytail. Wow. This is such a pretty texture. All right. So this is the wig in all its entirety. It goes to my ass. I want to try a side part, all right? So I'm just going to lightly shift her like that. I know me. I know me. And what I would do is with this smaller ear tab, I'd just flip it behind my ear like that. Doesn't do anything to the hair or whatnot. I'll just shift it a little bit more. I want to see how. Yeah. Yeah. I like her. This color is really pretty. I'm just being really conceited right now. But you see how I managed to twist this? So focus. What in Trompina Rodriguez is going on here? Love the color. This color right here is actually so impressive because it's not a dark root like I mentioned earlier. It transitions very nicely into this gradient of this honey blonde with brown. I mean, look at it. This texture feels very realistic. I know it is a La Sintética, but overall, I think this wig is gorgeous. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finesse the part a little bit and just give it a little bit more color with my one little droplet of powder that I have left. Listen, I'm going to use this powder up until I don't have literally any more, to the last drop. I think my baby's eating right now, and he hasn't eaten, and like he has a tough time eating, so I'm just gonna let him eat. So anyway, so you're gonna hear munching in this video. I'm a small house. So anyway, look at this. What? La Supermodel. I feel like one of those gorgeous telenovela ladies from, like, you know, Telemundo and Channel 13. I like that I pulled it back so you see my, this is literally my natural, it's just my natural edge. I have barely any edges, but it mixes really well with my natural hair color. I prefer it better as a side part, so I'm not mad at it right now. And I think with this red lipstick though, she's popping. Overall, the density of this wig is amazing. It's not too thick, which is what I mostly expect of Janet Collection, because they do very full, gorgeous wigs. But they also, you know, they have in between. So this right here has a great density. It feels probably, to some, if you want a fuller wig, this is probably not for you. But overall, like, I feel like this wig is gorgeous. I am getting a little bit of knotting already, but I just kind of cleaned it up. So no more knotting on the edges. The waves on this unit, gorgeous. Love the natural waves. They're all, actually they all go in different directions. This one goes this way, these go that way. I like that the waves are messy and beautiful, effortless, but they look glam enough that you can wear this wig pretty much anywhere. You can wear it to an event. You can wear it pretty much anywhere. If this is your casual wig, that'll work too. Overall, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It is long. It is about, I want to say it's like 22 inches. It feels, because it goes way past my bubbies and it goes way down my ass. It's so beautiful. The layers are long, so you could definitely trim like shorter layers if you want to add a little bit more volume to this wig. But overall, I love her. She's beautiful. The texture is great. She has a very silky, yucky texture. Very, very sleek. Not too shiny, which I can appreciate right now. And these lights right here, there's a little bit of shine in most of these wigs, but it's like a natural sheen. You can add some dry shampoo to it, let it sit for a little bit, and just brush it out. This wig right here, gorgeous. It frames the face beautifully. I love that you can, I don't know, it's just like a natural density, and I appreciate that. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Super Moon unit from Janet Collection. This is in the shade Honey Blonde. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think down below. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. There's like 68.5% of you guys that are not subscribed to my channel. That's not nice, okay? And I would really like you guys to come back, and I really would love the support, you know? So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.